Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be looking at the ordered dictionary from the collections module. So alright, last time with the pandas, you may have seen that I inadvertently created a ordered dictionary object, and we just ran it through. But let's delve a little bit more into what an ordered dictionary is. So alright, an ordered dictionary is an actual object that it retains the order in which the keys are in. So let's just look at banana. Okay. So alright, we are going to throw this into a staying with our collections. We're going to throw this in a count and give it fruit. Okay, so let's run that. Collections. Counter. There we go. So count. So boom. So okay, now let's throw this in a ordered dictionary. Collections, ordered. Alright, so this is kind of like a data frame where you got capital and capital. So, okay. Helps if you actually put what you want to have in there, count. There we go. So alright, let's run dir on order. So okay, you will see that it has everything that you are used to with dictionaries except for two new that you do not know. Move to end. Okay, so move an existing element to the end or beginning of list, or beginning of ordered dictionary. So the way that this works is the default is last, and then so it'll automatically move to the end. And if you want to make it the beginning, you set last to false. Now also, the other one is pop item. LIFO and FIFO. You'll see that in just a second. Order.pop item. Here we go. So I don't know if you've heard LIFO and FIFO. Last in, first out, and FIFO is first in, first out. So this will work off of the key. Remove and return a key value pair. So alright, if you want, it defaults to true, so it's going to default the last item. So let's just go ahead and just look at this. Order. So I can add, just like normal, C. I almost started singing C is for cookie. Alright. Alright, so now if I were to do order dot pop item and leave that there, it would default and pop out the C. Boom. It said it returns it, right? Remove and return, so it creates it. So now it's gone, but it's just like pop on our list, so you can pull it out and move it, but it defaults to the last. But then if I change this to order dot pop item and I change this to false, it will remove B. Boom, just like that. And then I pull up order this. And then if I want to move A to the end, order dot move to end, and it's going to move oops, sorry, I didn't give it the key. Forget, it doesn't need the list. There we go. So now if I pull up order, it moved the first to the end of the list, just like that. So that is the 2 additions to an ordered dictionary. So all right, there we go, guys. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below. These can be very powerful. Maybe we'll do an example, because every so often I see well, how do you order a dictionary? Well, that actually might be one. If there's any interest in sorting a dictionary and having it being in order, go ahead and drop a comment down below, and I'll get that around. But as always, please, please, please make sure we're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we have videos like this coming out all the time. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.